darlings and mountain goats, welcome to my channel, me and places. I just heard myself. I was trying to say mountain goats, like goats, but it sounded like goats, like mountain goats. And now I imagine a bunch of people in like goat clothes hiking mountains, and that's beautiful. Hello to goats too. I am just under Pilatus mountain in Alpnachstad. So the thing is, my original plan was to hike, and that's why I booked a very early train weeks ago. So now it's 7 a.m. This is sunrise just happening right now, and I am here. But then unfortunately some plans changed and I don't have time to hike. It's about 5 hours up with my speed and filming and all that stuff, maybe even more. Originally I was supposed to have the whole day for this, but now I gotta get back to Lucerne before evening, so I really won't have time to hike there and back. I won't even have time to hike one way and take the chairlift back. So first I thought, okay, I'm still going, but maybe I'll just take some trails around the lake here, because I'm sure there are some trails. But now that I'm here, I'm like, I live one time, I'm now in Switzerland, I have no idea if I will be here ever again. I'll just take the chairlift, even though I'm on a budget and I was not supposed to do that. But that's how travel goes, plans change. I actually need to move to another place today from where I was staying. That's why I have to be back on time, and I need to do that until specific time, and it's quite early time. So anyway, I think I'll do it. I think I'll go. I mean, it must be amazing up there. Oh yeah, actually from here you can see the signs to Pilatus. It's 5 hours 10 minutes of walking. Actually there are a lot of trails here, but hey, let's go. I will starve this month, but I will see the mountains. I just bought my tickets and that made me so happy. So the return ticket is 80 Swiss francs, which is a lot for me. That's why I was going to hike originally. They have this kind of gold tickets where you get everything included from the Lucerne. You can take a boat here to Alpnachstad and then from here chairlift. I'm not sure if it's a train or chairlift from this side, because you can get there from here and also from Kriens, and they both have some kind of transportation up. I think this one from here is actually a train. And here you can see the map. So there is a hiking trail, the red one. Yeah, this must be a rail on this side, so it takes you to Hotel Pilatus. And from there you have a few hiking trails to Tomlishorn, which is the highest peak, and to SL. Okay, well, let's go. I arrived to the hotel and I'm on a terrace of the hotel right now, and it's absolutely gorgeous. I think I got the very first train lift because there were mostly workers on board. Look at the views. And that way I believe is Tomlishorn. By the way, I believe you can see the hike going all the way up. I believe this is the hike from Alpnachstad. You can see some signs, and Tomlishorn is indeed this way, and the sign says it is 35 minutes away. What I like about being here at this time, there is not much people, mostly the workers. And also the sun is not so shiny yet, it's not that much up yet, and it's not that burning. Yesterday I burned my skin on Stoss Ridge hike, so I'm wearing like long sleeve shirt today, even though it's gonna be pretty hot again, and I don't see clouds at all, so it will be same kind of situation in few hours. So I'm happy to get here earlier, and it's this way. Danger. You can fall and don't wear heels. More chances to fall. Did somebody actually wear heels here? This is easily one of the most scenic walks I did. The sun is now up. I'm just walking alone. There are no people. There are gorgeous views. I'm just, ooh, almost died. I'm just smiling like hell. Oh my gosh. This was worth it. This was worth any money. I'm starving for the rest of the month. Oh my, now you can see lakes and rivers. This viewing point is amazing. It was absolutely worth it getting up. I'm back to the hotel. So from here I saw these tunnels. I really want to walk one tunnel and see what's on the other side. You have views on the other side here. Ah, and that small scenic house. I saw it from the other side and it looked really scenic. You can see many towns and villages from here and lake. I love these chilling tunnels, especially on the very sunny hot weather. Ah, it's a relief for me. Back. This was short but really scenic walk to see all the views I didn't see from Tomlishorn, or I did, but these are views from the other side. Oh, look at that. This was called a dragon path. And right by the station is the nearest peak, another peak, Ezel. You can hike it, I think, in maybe 20 minutes up. It's right here, 15 minutes up. Hey darlings, I'm waiting for the lift back down. I have hidden a postcard somewhere here, so if you are interested, check where it is and find it. and make a travel in a case you want a quest. But anyways, I might have just enough time to have a walk or a hike around the lake. If I get back on time, we will see. So this ride takes about half an hour, I believe. Maybe even a little bit more. This railway has a maximum gradient of 48%, which makes it the steepest cogwheel railway on Earth. What's funny is that the steepest funicular railway in the world is also in Switzerland, and I just rode it yesterday. The railway opened in 1889. Back then, it was powered by steam. Today, it's fully electric, but the route remains exactly the same. So, yesterday the steepest funicular in the world, today the steepest cogwheel railway, maybe tomorrow I'll just start walking vertically like a Spider Woman. By the way, the mountain I'm descending is full of legends. For centuries, people believed that disturbing it would cause violent storms, and it was actually forbidden to climb it. In the 14th century, some wanderers who tried to climb it even were arrested and imprisoned. Thankfully, thanks to meteorology, we know how storms work, and we are all allowed to visit this incredible mountain today.